Hi y'all. Well, yesterday I finally took a trip into town. It's been raining and the roads have been really muddy and I haven't been able to go anywhere, so because I live 12 miles in on dirt roads. Anyways, I wanted to show you. I got to go to the thrift store and I didn't get a whole lot, but I wanted to show you what I got. So let's get started. Start with, I bought this wreath because I like to keep these on hand. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but when I want it, I want to be able to go and grab it. And I paid I think it was $1. Yeah, it was $1. Then I just got this plain white mug because I have something I want to put on it and try a different technique. So I picked this up and it was $1, but it was marked 49 cents from the store, but I didn't have to go anywhere else. I could just, that was fine with me. Goes to a good cause. And I picked up these little skewers for 25 cents. I use those, I'll just put them in my stash. And these, I don't know, they'll just go in my stash. I really don't know what they are. They're cedar balls, but they're little balls. I mean, I can use them for feet. I don't know, I paint them red or whatever I want. But I want to just put them in my stash along with the other stuff. And when I want something, I have it. And then I saw this croc, and you can tell it's had probably a little wire handle. I don't remember what came in these. I've seen them before, but I've already washed it up. And it was $1 also. And I'm not sure if I'll leave it like this or paint it and do something with it. I don't know, but I'll do something. And I picked this up and it had $1 on it. I've already taken it. But this little can was inside that, and I'm not really thrilled with the purple, so I'll do something with it. And they do really have pretty good grip. There's a plastic, not plastic, but well, there's a ring around it. It really makes them seal pretty good. So both of those together were $1. I don't have a lot more to go. And then I picked this up because I like these little things to put in my stash. And they're old. But like if I wanted to make a wooden tray or something, they look cute on the tray, I think. I got these. They were, well, somebody was selling them for 25 cents. Thrift store sold them for 50. And I picked this up, and it was 50 cents also. And it came from Walmart. Yeah, it was from Walmart. I don't know what I'll do with it, but I thought it was cute and I could do something. Even if I just wanted this to make a sign and frame sign and use the beads, or leave it like that, or what, or leave it as, I don't know. But I got it for 50 cents. And then I have pictures of my grandchildren that I need to frame. And these won't stay like this, so I'll redo them, and each one of these was $5. Okay, that one's wood. Not sure about that one, but. And then I got this one, and it's wood. And this one, and it's wood, and I'll change the look of them. Then I got, okay, move some stuff over. I got this box here for $1, and it had little teacups in it. And I thought those, I could redo those, one for every season, to put on my tiered trays. And there was two different, well, one like this, and I've already used one. Let me show you. I think this is a rubber plant, and there was a piece broke off, so I put that in there, and that sits up in my window. And I think one of them, I'm going to put my, let me show you that. Hang on. Boy, it needs some water, but I just watered that. This is a cactus that I picked out in the field, or dug up out in the field. And I think, and it was little bitty. I mean, it was probably only 2 little stems, so it's doing fine. It looks hard, but they don't take a lot of water. I think I'm gonna put one of those in one of these little glasses to put in the windowsill, even though I do like the bowl, but too much of the dirt shows for me. All right, that was my thrift haul, so I hope y'all enjoyed it, and until the next one, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.